In this video, I'm going to show you, step by detailed step, how to do a speed ramp in Adobe Premiere. So you can do stuff like this. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Okay, I'm working in Premiere version 25.1.0, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. So what is a speed ramp, you ask? A speed ramp is a technique used in video editing where the playback speed of a clip is shifted to emphasize action, create a transition, or just add flair to your video. And here's how you do it. First, you want to make sure your video track is expanded so that you can work with your speed ramp keyframes. To do this, move your cursor to right above the name of the track on the left. You should notice your cursor turn to a little equals sign. Then drag upwards, like so. Then, in your timeline, click the wrench menu. And make sure Show FX Badges has a check mark by it. Then activate the selection tool by hitting V on your keyboard. And on your clip, right-click on the tiny FX badge in the upper right of the clip. And select Time Remapping and Speed. Then determine where you want the sped up or slowed down portion of your clip to begin. I'll start mine here. And make a keyframe on your clip by selecting the keyframe icon on the left. And then slide the line up. You can see what percentage you're modifying it under the clip right here. And you'll also notice that the clip gets longer or shorter depending on whether you're speeding it up or slowing it down. Now play your clip down to see what you have. To make your motion smoother, you can use a bezier to ramp up the speed. To do this, click on these tiny arrows at the point where the speed is changing and pull them apart. If you need to zoom in to do this, use the slider at the bottom of the timeline. So select one of your arrows, it'll turn blue, and the bezier will then show up. Then rotate the bezier to smooth out your ramp by grabbing the end of it and rotating. Play the clip down again, move things around, and modify until you get the look that you want. Here are a few additional miscellaneous tips with regard to speed ramping. First, if you want to create a transition using a speed ramp, you would do the ramp at the end of one clip and the beginning of the next. And if you ever want to delete a keyframe, you can just select it on your clip and hit delete on your keyboard. Also, you can access your time remapping keyframes in the Effect Controls panel as well. Open your Effect Controls panel by going to Window and making sure there's a check mark by it, and you'll see you can add and delete them here. And if your clip is a mess and you just want to start the whole thing over, you can delete all of your keyframes at once in the Effect Controls panel by unchecking the stopwatch. And boom, they're gone. So spice up those video montages with some speed ramps, because now you know how. Alright, if you found any of this to be useful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.